Namaste. Lie down comfortably, keeping your legs apart, arms apart, palms facing the ceiling. You can move your head to the right side and left side. Relax yourself completely. I'll be showing you some of the simple stretches and twists to your body. This can be practiced safely by people having knee issues also. Lie down and relax. You can focus on the abdominal movement as you take gentle breathing in and out. While breathing in, feel your abdomen rising up. As you breathe out, let your abdomen sink in. Deep abdominal breathing as you relax. Take a couple of deep breathing before you come to the seated position for the warming up stretches. Gentle breathing as you relax. You can slowly bring your legs together and give a stretch to your body and come to the sitting position. Getting ready for the stretches in the sitting position. Keeping your legs straight. Inhale, toes towards your face. Exhale, toes away from your body. If you want, you can sit closer to the wall to get support. Now make circles with the ankles. Inhaling and exhaling, making a circle. If it is difficult to do both the legs together, you can do separate also. Ankle rotation, finishing with one leg and going to the other one. You can do both the directions, clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, making circles with the ankles, releasing all the tensions from your ankles. Go with the breathing. Now squeeze all the toes. Automatically your heels lift slightly off from the floor. Squeeze toes and release. Doing few times. This gives stretch for the entire leg muscles. Now keep your fingertips on the knees. Squeeze your knees and release. You feel the stretch on your thigh muscles. It's a very gentle stretch but effective stretch to strengthen your knees. Squeeze your toes. Squeeze your knees and release. Squeeze and release. Squeeze and release. Now bring your legs together. Keep your both the palms beside your body. Keep your legs straight, spine straight, shoulders relaxed. Stick pose to make your posture correct. The spine is straight. Keep your body straight. Take deep breathing. Now keep your legs mat width apart. We are going to do the next one. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhaling, moving forward, touching your toes. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, touch your toes. If touching your toes is difficult, then you can hold your ankle or calf muscles wherever you can. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, touch your toes. Stay there wherever you are comfortable, holding your ankles or calf muscles. Staying in that position, take a couple of deep breathing. Deep breaths in the position. Now bring your legs together to do the next one. Rowing the boat. Inhale as if you are rowing a boat, moving your body forward and backward. Inhale, go back. Exhale, coming forward. Now Kachalasana or rowing the boat mobilizes your whole spine, getting a gentle stretch for your legs and arms as well. Now change the direction. You are moving forward, then backward. Inhale, go back. Exhale, coming forward. Now keep your legs wider on both sides of the mat. Keep your legs. Now Chakki Chalasana. Clasping your arms, fingers. Breathe in, you go back. Breathing out, coming forward. Your hip is getting a nice rotation. Do both the directions, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Chakki Chalasana. Inhaling and exhaling. Go with the breath. Bring your legs together. Now pulling the rope. Making a fist as if you are pulling a rope from top. Moving your arms one by one up and down. Normal breathing. Excellent stretch for your shoulders and arms. Keep your palms on your knees. Relax your body. You can go back and take the support of the wall. Keeping your palms on your knees. Now stretch your arms forward. Breathing in, open your fingers. Breathe out, make a fist. Breathe in, open. Breathe out. Breathe in, open. Breathe out, close. Moving all the fingers, opening it and closing it. Now make a fist and do the wrist rotation. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Relax. Keeping your palms on your knees, you can relax. Stretch your arms forward, palms facing up. Bring your fingertips together, away. Together, away. This also stretches your shoulders and arms. Do a couple of times. Now check whether you can twist your arms. Palms facing up, inhaling. Then twist on exhaling. This also stretches your entire arms, including your shoulders. Relax. Keeping your palms on your knees, relax. Now palms facing up. Inhale, open your arms. Exhale, fold it. Inhale, exhale. Inhaling and exhaling. Now relax. Palms on your knees. Relax your arms completely. Now you are coming away from the wall. Shoulder stretches. Breathing in. You look up, open your arms. Breathe out, elbows come closer. Inhaling, open, exhaling, close. Inhale, open your arms, exhale, close. Moving your neck as well as your shoulders. Now we'll do shoulder rotation. Inhale, open, exhale, close. While closing, let your elbows come and touch each other. Now change the direction, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Inhale and exhale. Going with the breath. One circle, you'll finish one full breath. Keeping your knees, hands on your knees, relax. If you feel comfortable, you can sit cross-legged or continue sitting, keeping your legs straight. Now, blowing the kisses and neck stretches. Inhale, you look up, exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale and exhale. Do a couple of times, giving a nice stretch for your neck. Now, sideways. Inhale, center, exhale, turn to your right. Inhale, center, exhale to the left. These are simple stretches for your neck. You can do both the sides. Now, inhale and exhaling, bring your right ear to the right shoulder. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You can do a couple of times on both the sides. Now we'll do the blowing the kisses. The front side of the neck. You're stretching your neck and looking up. You're blowing kisses to the sky, poking your lips. You feel the nice, excellent stretch on your neck, front side of the neck. Blow kisses to the sky. Come back and relax. Relax yourself completely. Now stretch your legs forward. We'll do the boat pose or Navasana. Bend your legs, hold under your knees and check whether you can lift your legs up and bring it down. The easiest way of boat pose, bringing it up and down. Normal breathing. Those who can stay there after lifting your legs up can stay for some time. Beginners can come down. Now give a twist to your body. Inhale and exhaling, twisting to your left. Inhale and exhaling, twisting to your right. Keeping your legs bent. This is a simple twisting. You can do either ways, keeping your legs bent at the knee or keeping it straight. Inhaling and exhaling, giving a nice twist for your spine. You can do the same thing, keeping your legs straight also. Inhale and exhaling, twist your left side. Inhale, come back, exhaling to the right side. From the hip till the neck, you get the twist. Gentle twist, safe twist for your spine. Gently, you can twist. One arm goes behind, the other arm touches the opposite knee. Keeping your legs straight, we'll do another twist. Right hand holding your left toe, left arm goes behind, you're twisting to the left. Now change, left hand holding your right toe, you're twisting to the right, right arm goes behind. This is also another twist to your body. If touching your toe is difficult, you can hold your ankle or calf muscle with the opposite hand. Do couple of times, then relax. Keeping your eyes closed, relax. Come to the standing position to do the standing stretches. Take your arms behind, hold your elbows. Inhale, you look up. Exhale, come forward. Inhale, you can gently do the backward bending. Exhaling, coming forward. Now, take your left arm behind. Go to your left side, taking the right arm up. Now the other side. Whichever arm goes back, you're going to that side. Giving a side stretch to your body. Now we'll do the half sun salutation. Breathe in, open up. Breathe out, close. Inhale, look up. Exhale, go deep down. Inhale, you look straight. Exhale, go deep down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Repeat. Breathe in, open up, look up. Breathe out, close. Inhale, look up. Exhale, go deep down. Inhale, you look straight. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, look straight. Breathe out, go deep down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Now keep your arms straight at your shoulder level. Check whether you can slowly bend your knees, come to chair pose and come up. Repeat it few times, only if you're feeling comfortable. If your knees are hurting, then don't do this. If you feel comfortable, you can continue. This strengthens your knees. Chair pose. Now, keep your legs separate. Inhaling, raise your arms up. Exhaling, go deep down. Pada Hastasana. You're relaxing in this position. You can sway your arms sideways. Keep your upper body loose. You can hold your elbows. Relax here. You can keep your legs bent at the knee or keeping it straight. However, you feel comfortable. Relax. Now release your hands. Slowly come up to the standing position. We'll do the next one. Interlace your fingers. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Exhaling, go to your left side. Giving a side stretch. Inhale, stretch. Exhale to the right. Inhale, up. Exhale, left side. You're giving a side angle. Stretch. Inhale, exhale. Now giving the twist. Inhale, center, exhaling to the right. Inhale, center, exhaling. This also give a different stretch to the sides of your body. You can keep your fingertips on your shoulders. Now keeping your arms sideways, keeping your eyes closed, relaxing, standing Shavasana, deep breathing. Relax your whole body. Relax. Relax. Relax completely. Then you can lie down and do the relaxation. Keeping your legs apart, arms apart, moving your head to the right side, left side. Relax your body for the final relaxation. Releasing all the tensions, relax completely. Deep breathing as you relax. Relax, relax, relax. Visualize your toes and feet. Relax your toes and feet. Relax your knees, thighs. Relaxing your hip. Relaxing your abdomen, chest, shoulders. Relaxing your arms, neck. Relaxing your facial muscles. Relax, relax, relax completely. Relax, relax, relax. You can lie down till you feel completely relaxed. Then gently stretching your body, come up to the sitting position. Namaste, and thank you so much for doing yoga with me. Thank you.